Hi, and welcome to the Lima Bravo Zero Foxtrot India YouTube channel. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India. And, well, about a week ago, I started looking through Amazon for the cheapest radio, which isn't a Baofeng or a Baofeng branded as something else. And turned out that I found this, the Retevis RT85. So let's open it up and see what's inside the box. For opening this radio, I have a trusted Morakniv. And let's get it open. And you won't believe how hard this is when you get a camera between you and the box. So there you go. Cardboard box, as all radios have. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Let's see. We have the user manual, which states that it is an analog two-way radio. We have a booklet with some warnings and all kind of languages. We have what seems to be an antenna. Let's see here. 136 to 174 and 400 to 470. And the antenna is an SMA male, so that would lead me to believe that the radio is an SMA female. We got a drop-in charger here with a British plug, since I ordered this off of Amazon UK. But luckily I have one of these to convert it. Nice to have when you order some equipment from abroad. You have a battery. Nothing too special. Let's see. 7.4 volts and 1400 milliamp hours. We got the radio. Feels solid enough. Nothing to say about it actually. Feels like a solid radio. We get a little strap and a belt clip. So if we lay it all out on the table, it looks like this. We have the battery, some screws for the belt clip itself, which screws onto the battery. And the radio, the drop-in charger, the antenna, and the strap. And those over here we have the manuals, which probably none of you guys ever read. So let's try to assemble the radio and see what it looks like when you first start it up. At the time of my purchase, this radio was £38 on the British Amazon UK. I'll leave a link down below, and I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase this radio, I'll get a small kickback that'll help you support my channel. So let's get the belt clip on and put the battery on the radio, the antenna, and see if it starts up. And in Norway, we have a saying that says having the right tools is half the job. And that probably means that I'm doing twice the job right now. But my leather end was the tool I had on hand right now. So, battery all good. And there is kind of a switch here for the battery. Looks like that's all good. Let's get the antenna on. And find the on-off switch. And it's on. So you can get the light on the display. Yep, starts up. And now for the final part. Ripping the plastic off. And we'll take a closer look at this radio in 2 more videos. I'll take a look at how it operates and how it feels when you use it, how it is to program and so on. And then we'll put it on the scope and see how it does there, if there's any spurious emissions and so on. And just one more thing. Let's get a Baofeng and see how it compares to a Baofeng. So as you can see, it's a little bit taller than a Baofeng. It is about the same thickness and the same width. So a little bit larger than a Baofeng, a little bit more expensive than a Baofeng. But is it worth it? Well, you just got to subscribe and look out for my next video. Until next time, 7-3.